Welcome to MotorMav. What are the reasons for Dodge Charger cranks but won't start? So, keep watching on, because we'll go through the common reasons and the fixes to this problem. Reason number 1, dead battery. In this case, jumpstart and replace the battery. Reason number 2, battery wires. For this, secure connections. Replace wires. And clean corrosion. Reason number 3, weaker key fob. In this case, use the alternative, or second key, or buy the new one. Reason number 4, broken starter. You can get rid of this problem by just replacing the broken starter with the new one. Reason number 5, fuel tank is empty. For this, refill the tank. Reason number 6, clogged fuel filter. In this case, replacing it with the new one is the best solution. Reason number 7, blown fuse. For this, replace the fuse. Reason number 8, bad alternation. To solve the problem, you can repair or replace the alternation. Reason number 9, faulty spark plugs. Replacing the defective spark plugs is the best way to solve the problem. And reason number 10, defective ignition coil. Replacing the defective ignition coil is a simple method to eliminate the problem. Hope you have enjoyed our video. Visit our page MotorMav to read this blog in detail. And do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.